Welcome back. We're continuing the news. In this evening's health report, Shamila Pullen looks at deep vein thrombosis.
Deep vein thrombosis is a medical condition which occurs when a blood clot forms in a deep vein, typically in the legs. Persons who have DVT may experience swelling, pain, cramping, or soreness. The condition is common in Jamaica.
Persons who maybe overweight and who are not as active, or who have gone on long journeys without moving around, whether by air or by land, that's a risk factor. There are persons who may have suffered trauma to the limb for some reason, some type of trauma which could damage the blood vessel lining and predispose them to clots. There are persons who may have some lesions in their abdomen, which may be compressing the circulation.
Persons who have a family history of blood clots are also at risk. DVT is a serious medical condition that can be life-threatening if not treated promptly.
Deep vein thrombosis in the legs or in the upper limbs can lead to a clot in the lung, which can be fatal, pulmonary embolism. And it's one of the common causes of sudden death. So you hear somebody's been fine and up and about, and one day they just collapse and die. All right. So apart from heart attack and stroke, a clot to the lung is one of those reasons. I should also mention, though, that there are certain drugs which can promote this as well, and we have to be careful for persons who may be on the oral contraceptive pill. That is one of the complications of it.
To reduce the risk of clotting, the doctor may prescribe blood thinners.
So persons who don't have a predisposition or risk factors in terms of like a family history or a clotting problem, which makes their blood clot easier than other persons, definitely can. So women over the age of 40, for example, perhaps should reconsider they're using the oral contraceptive pill. There are persons who, if you're overweight, you want to manage that. If you're going on any long journey, you should, be observant that you should actually be exercising your limbs, walk around a little bit, that kind of thing. And if you're on any medications which may promote it, then you should reconsider.
Also, don't cross your legs while sitting. Do regular physical activity and maintain a healthy weight. With your health report, I'm Shamila Pullen, wishing you good health.